Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Solana from Revolut to Phantom. Now, transferring Solana from Revolut to Phantom wallet involves few straightforward steps. For that, first of all, you have to get a Phantom wallet address. For that, you have to launch a Phantom wallet. Launch the Phantom wallet app on your device. After that, you have to select the Solana. Here you can see you have to select the Solana. Now, after selecting the Solana, you will get to see this QR code. After here you can see you can copy this address. This is the wallet address. You can also view the full address along with the QR code. Now, step 2 is to transfer Solana from Revolut. After copying the address, now you have to open Revolut app and log in into your Revolut application. Access the Revolut app on your mobile device. Now, you have to navigate to crypto section. Tap on the crypto, tap on the bottom of the screen. If you don't see it, go to Hub and scroll down for Find Crypto. Select Crypto. Now you have to select Solana. Use the search bar to find Solana and select it. Now tap Send. Click on the Send button. Now add a new wallet address. Tap on New at the top right corner and select it. Select the copy wallet. Then paste the phantom wallet address you copied earlier. Now ensure network matches it. Make sure the network select in Revolut matches the Solana network. Now enter the amount. Input the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Now you have to confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details including the wallet address and amount. You may receive a verification code to your requested mobile number or registered mobile number. Now you have to finalize the transfer. Confirm the transaction by clicking send. Now verify the transfer. Once the transaction is initiated, you can track its status on the Solana blockchain explorer. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed, which may take a few minutes depending on the network cognition. If this information finds helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.